Welcome to Mike's Tech Show. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. Got the 128 gigabyte version, and let's begin. The box right here. Not too much on that side. Information there. The back of the box. All right, let's begin. Isn't that so satisfying? All right. And nothing in this part of the box here. And here is the phone in there. Wow, what a pretty color. A gorgeous phone. And this phone is actually for my wife. I am an Android user. We're going to move her into the iPhone. Here we go. Take the phone, put it over here for a second. And here you have the, there is the charger, USB-C to lightning cable. So that's nice that it's USB-C at one end and lightning cable. There is no power brick, so if you need a power brick, you're going to have an existing one already. And then, of course, your documentation. There is a SIM card remover, a sticker, and then there's some information in there. We'll just get that out of the way over here. Nothing much left in the box there. We'll get that out of the way. And then we will do this. That's great, isn't it? Look at that phone. That is a nice phone. So we'll go ahead and see if we can power it on here. You've got your volume rocker over here. Your power button over here, excuse me. Your volume rocker is over here on this side, along with your vibration silent button, which has always been on an iPhone since I think conception. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start this guy up. So I think later on we will do a review of the phone after we've had it for a little while, and I also want to do a comparison between my phone and this phone here. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It'll be fun to do some reviews between the two, some comparisons, and see how they do. But this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos, more unboxings, and give me any ideas of what you might like to see. So again, the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video here. Here it is, 128 gigabytes. And there we are.